Hey, top five in Acadiana for 2020. Will I get my 7th award? We'll find out in April. Hey everybody, Tim, polished, full attention to detail. Oh, why did I start like that? That was an old way of doing things. This glowing Palisade. How do you say it? Nonetheless, Miss Abby brought it to me instead of someone else, and she chose Ceramic Pro Gold. Ceramic Pro Gold, what is that doing? It's giving her permanent protection from the elements, and no more swirl marks, and you know, all these crazy etchings that ruin the clear coat, where there won't be a need for a buffer years from now. What's a gold package? Gold package is 4 layers of 9H. 9H is your titanium dioxide, your hardness. It's a steroid injection for the clear coat that just makes it more resistant to scratching. What goes on top of 9H though is the magic little sauce. Makes it smooth and easy to clean and less things stick to it, and that's that 1 layer top coat. What's Abby and her husband gonna benefit from? They're gonna benefit from easy to clean. Oh, easiest thing to clean. All my clients, ones that have commented on social media and everywhere, and oh my, they just love it. They just love it.